So we'll just give that a coat like that.
And obviously you can see the balls jumping all over the place as well. So let's have a look.
So there you go. You can see where obviously all the splatter's all gone across, yeah? And look at that. This is remarkably splatter-free.
I think as well the important thing now to do is to make sure we can clean that properly.
So the first thing we're going to do, obviously, we're going to spray this onto there and we're going to give it a wipe over.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's really soiled, give it a little time to work, right?
Yeah.
And the other thing to remember is you've got it all wiped off. Any residue you rinse off with drinking water. So
we do that, and then we get a bit of go on in. So you go over with some water. I mean,
there we are.
There you go. What's that? That's good.
That smells quite decent as well. It doesn't smell like harsh or chemically or anything like that, which is awesome.
No,
none of that.
Good.
Well, you can see how it's ripped. Oh, look at that.
You can still,
That welding spatter is terrible.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay, so we'll just give that a wipe down. Okay, and then flick it over. Right, and we'll do the same on this one.
There we go.
So we give that a clean there. Okay, and then we give this a wipe over. Again, to get rid of any grease or oil or contamination or anything like that.
And then some
and then the water. And then we'll.
There we are.
You can actually see it working there. Okay. And then that we'll just wipe that up. Okay.
But look at the difference though, right? I mean, you went over there with a bit of a wire brush, and just look at that. There's no, just a couple of little beads there, but hardly anything compared to the other one at all.
Nothing at all, is it? There we go.
Nice.
That's good. Right, okay.
Perfect.